Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for unemployment benefits in Florida. First, it is important to understand that everyone who applies is called a claimant. To begin, you must have a reemployment assistance account. If you have never applied before, or if you have not logged in since September 1st, 2021, you will need to create a new login. To create your account, go to the Reemployment Assistance portal and select the option to create or access your account. You will complete a multi-factor authentication process. This step is required to confirm your identity, so follow each instruction carefully on the screen. Before starting your application, make sure you have all required information ready. This will help you avoid delays. You will need your social security number and your driver's license or state ID number. Next, gather your employment history for the past 18 months. For each employer, you need the name, address, and phone number. You also need your first and last day of work, your total earnings before taxes, and the reason you are no longer working there. If available, include the Federal Employer Identification Number, also known as FAIN. You can find this on your W-2 or 1099 forms. If you do not have it, you can use details from a recent pay stub. Some applicants may need extra documents. Military workers can use a DD-214 form. Federal employees should provide SF-8 and SF-50 forms. Union members need their union name, hall number, and phone number. If you are not a U.S. citizen, you will need your alien registration number or work authorization. Once everything is ready, click on File a New Claim and follow the on-screen steps. Thanks for watching.